Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the base and navigating to the table that will hold links. Create a link to another record field and choose the target table. This defines the relationship. Once created, decide if you need single or multiple links, single for one-to-one, multiple for one-to-many, because that affects record selection and workflow. Make sure to name the field clearly for later automations. Now pick a few representative records and prepare to populate links manually or with an import mapping. Once the field exists, you populate links. You can click a cell and use the picker to search and attach records or drag related rows between grid views. This is immediate and precise. For bulk work, import a CSV with record ID or matching names and map that column to the link field. This maintains relationships reliably. If linking repeats, set an automation that runs when records meet conditions, or use a script action to batch link by ID, which saves time and prevents human error. To finish, verify the links by adding a lookup or rollup field that surfaces related values. This proves relationships work as intended. If links fail, check for mismatched unique ID, extra spaces, or duplicate names. These are the common culprits. Once done, clean data and re-import or run a repair script to relink in bulk. One key troubleshooting tip: if links disappear, inspect automation activity and record permissions, because failed automations or insufficient access often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.